The scan menu is where you'll see the performance of all of your channels in your channel plan. This menu also provides the tilt calculation, which is the power of your highest channel minus your lowest channel. Let's look at a particular cable TV channel plan. Go into cable TV mode, and you can see all of the channels being scanned. Let's look at channel 30. I place the marker on 30. And in this case, you can see the power and the tilt is always displayed. Furthermore, the compass is displayed in the upper left, just like level mode. Now, if you're at a new cable TV service provider, say you've gone from one neighborhood to another, the channel plans would be different. In this case, you would use the Learn button to have the SignalScout scan all 157 possible channels and find which ones are in your area. It's almost complete. And in this case, it found 107 channels. Now let's go over to ATSC off-the-air mode, or over-the-air mode. Hook up our antenna. You'll see we have approximately 11 channels active in this mode. I can put my marker on channel 29. You'll see it turns blue, and it's measuring the power on that channel.